Barbie Fortesa update, yung post ni Nelson Canlas, in-interview niya si Barbie, abangan niya sa 24 oras, sabi ni Nelson kay Barbie. Barbie Fortesa admits to stepping into solo era this 2025, self-care, self-grow, and a whole lot of self-love, but don't let the world fool you. She forefront along with 2 movie and TV show, and a possible new leading man in the works, plus Barda is still going strong. Barbie solo era is looking pretty grounded, Ang daming tao dyan sa event. Nasa new leading man si Barbie. Ayan. Ito yung video ni Barbie dyan sa event. BW winner. Nasa isang North EDSA. You belong with me. Pretty and pink outfit ni Barbie. Si Barbie. Ang audience. Barbie, oh. Barbie. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.